Okay, so today we're going to be unboxing the March box from YarnYay by Vickie Howell. So she has some really nice tissue paper. That's kind of always been a feature. This is my third box so far, and they've always been packaged really nicely. All right, we have our pattern packet. So I really like the design on this actually. This is really cute. So March, the theme is open weave shawlettes. So it looks like this is the knitting pattern. The box always comes with a knitting and a crochet pattern. And something I really like about YarnYay is that the patterns actually look relatively similar within the two techniques. So I'll go ahead and find the crochet pattern off camera so I don't actually accidentally show the pattern information again. Oh, that's really pretty. So there is the crochet pattern. It's called the Floating Staircase Sideways Lace Shawlette by Julia Medill. Very pretty. So I really like the patterns, both of the patterns this week. I might try out the crochet pattern with the yarn that it comes with, and maybe even do the knitting pattern in one of the yarns that I already have. So very happy with the patterns this month. And here is that yarn that was featured in both of the patterns. Oh wow, it's actually really, really soft. So it's a sport weight, 100% superwash merino, and it is Montoya Merino Light. It's very pretty in the color Malachite. I really like this. This is very pretty and it feels really nice. So definitely excited to work with that as well. And then for our extras, it looks like Cocoa Knits claw clips. So I'm not entirely sure what these are. They look like kind of like little baby hair clips. And they're plastic free, so that's interesting. So it says, hold your knitted or crocheted pieces firmly together for seaming with these discreet plastic-free clips made from PLA, fermented plant fiber. Oh, that's really cool. Okay, so I guess these little clips hold your knitting in place while you're seaming it together. So that's really interesting. I've never seen anything like that. I've definitely heard of Cocoa Knits before, and they have all sorts of fun tools for knitting. So I'm definitely excited to try out one of their products. And honestly, they're pretty cute hair clips, and I like that they're environmentally friendly, so I might also just use them for my hair also. So, you know, that's a nice little two-in-one, so that's exciting. And then we have some blocking pins with a YarnYay sticker on there. And lastly, it looks like, oh cool, it looks like we have like a Post-it packet with the yarn companies and Vickie Howell's logo on the front. So you get some Post-its and some little flags for your patterns. So yeah, all around, I feel like March was a really good month. Lots of useful but fun things, and I'm definitely excited to try out these patterns. Thank you for watching.